Alright, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a .bat file that'll open multiple applications or programs. It's a pretty simple thing to do, but I was requested to do it, and lots of the videos out there aren't as precise and to the point as I think they should be, and they don't, some of them only open them in order, not all at once. So I'm going to show you how to open them all at once. For starters, we're going to need to create our .bat file, or our text document in which we're going to input the code for the .bat. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the Windows key and press R, and we're going to type in notepad. We can also go start and type in notepad, or we can go all programs, accessories, notepad, accessories, notepad. But the easiest way is just to hold down the Windows key and press R, type in notepad, open it up. This is in what we're going to put our code, which is going to open the multiple applications. So for start off, we're going to say at echo off. Now what that does basically, to sum it up, is it means that it's not going to send any messages to the user. This just makes our program a little bit neater and a little bit more speedy basically. Now what we need to do, find the directory to the program we want to do. So what we're going to need to make is a shortcut to it, as that's the easiest way to get the path to it. Once you install a program on your computer, all these files and all these programs are shortcuts to it. So for example, let's make a shortcut that'll open up VLC Media Player, Fraps, and FileZilla. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is find the path or the directory to the .exe that will run the program. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and go properties. Under properties, under this target window, this is what we want. So we're going to select that and copy it. We're going to go back to our command prompt and we're going to type in start. Okay, 2 semicolons and space, and then the directory. What this does, don't really worry about it, but it basically tells it that there's no command that it needs to issue beforehand, basically. I'm not really going to get into detail what all of this really does, but it's just saying start and then the directory. If you were to just, let's say, remove this, the start, like that, and then have a whole list of programs here, it's going to only open them once the previous program's closed. So if we have it like that, then it's going to open multiple programs. So now we've done the VLC Media Player. We'll get Fraps, properties, select the directory, and the same thing again. We need to go start, semicolons, and paste. In this instance, it doesn't have semicolons or speech marks around the directory, but I'll just put them in anyway. The only reason that they would be there is if there's a space in the file directory. Okay, so we'll do, what was the last one? FileZilla. So we're going to right click, properties, copy the target, and the same thing, start. And this one you can see it's got the semicolons around it already. So we'll just press OK, OK. Save this as a .bat. So we're going to go File, Save As. Browse to the directory where you want to save it. So I'm just dumping it in this folder where I was already working. And I'm going to call it prg.bat. That .bat section there is very critical. If that's not there, it'll just save it as a text document, and then it won't run as a program. So we're going to save it as a .bat, press save. Okay, there's our program. I can close this down now. When I open it, there's Fraps has started. Where are the other programs? There's FileZilla and there's VLC Media Player. So it opened all of them up, and that's kind of cool. So you can edit this afterwards by right click on it, go edit, and you can add as many programs here as you want. Big list of them, and yeah, it's a pretty useful thing to do in command prompt to generate a program that can open multiple other programs. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. I got some cool stuff on CMD tutorials as well. Thanks.